What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to make a McCafe pie strawberry cream cheese ice cream roll. These are pretty good by themselves, so I'm sure it should be pretty good. This is going to be a little bit of a different video. We're going to do some normal talking instead of this and whispering and such. So let's go ahead and make an ice cream roll. I think we only need about half of that. So I got a little bit of cream cheese right there, if you guys can see that, just a little bit. And here, guys, cream and condensed milk. Let me know in the comments below, guys, if you guys like the whispering stuff better and the tapping, or just kind of talking and making some ice cream here. That button right there I'm hitting is a little defrost button. This machine could use a little bit of like a foot pedal for defrost or something. What's your guys' favorite pie at McDonald's or anything? Also leave in the comments below what else you guys want me to do here. Flatten this stuff out. Can't wait to taste this one. I bet it's going to be pretty darn good. Hopefully I can get these guys to roll. There we go. That worked out pretty good. Just a little bit of whipped cream, or a lot, whatever you like. Bit of strawberry syrup. So add a little bit more pink. Well guys, let's give this a try. Guys, that's bomb. If you guys have one of these machines or something like that, highly recommend making one of these. Well guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. And thank you for all the subscribers. You guys have